this is what you will be making in my video. This is the Twins Take. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to the Twins Take. Today we're going to learn how to make an origami fortune teller. First, we'll start doing the natural folds that if you know how to do origami, they do it every single time. So first, make sure the paper you want is on the right page. I didn't even know I grabbed orange. Okay, so then let's fold it in triangle. So these folds will just make it easier to fold while you're actually making the fortune teller. We'll unfold it and do it this. Then we'll fold it and flip it over. Fold it here. Turn it around. Fold it here. Now, let's actually start from here because I'm pretty sure it's already folded over. Yeah. So now fold each corner to the middle like this. Then you want to flip it over and you want to keep these down so they don't bend anyway. So what I do is I keep my finger on there and put my hand on the bottom, and then I'll just lay it down. And that's how none of the papers get unfolded on it. So now we're going to do the same thing, but on this part. So like fold all the corners to the middle. Okay, so these are really easy. It's the easiest origami I really know how to do. So you just pretty much fold triangles the whole time. Yes, in there. So that is pretty much the end. So now you see, right? You see it's like that. You want to fold it so this way, and there you go. You have 2 bricks each side. You see these on each side. You flip your pointer and your thumb through 2 of them. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Then what you will do is you'll push your thumb and your pointer together on both sides. So make sure it's kind of in. Okay, so now see these? Push them together. And there you have your origami fortune teller. So I showed you how to make one. I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you just wanted 2 more bricks to like, if you're bringing it somewhere, you can fold it up again like that. Okay, so that's an easy way to write. So let's say you want to do, so there's numbers on the back. So every time you do it, you have to like do this. So you write a number. You ask the person, what number do you want? You say what numbers are on there. He'll pick a number, right? So then what number he picks, you'll have to do. So if you pretend you did like 3. 1, 2, 3. But if you did like 30, you'll have to go like 1, 2, 3. And it's not that fun to like open it over and over again for 30 or 80 times. So I mostly do 5 to 2. So 5, 4, let's do 3 and 2. Okay, so we have our numbers. Now what you do, so now you got numbers, you need colors. So open up like this and see you have these white lines through. So on each white line you want to write a colors. So let's do pink, purple, let's do green, blue, yellow, let's do red, orange, and we have one more. Let's do white on this. So you can do any colors you want. I'm just doing these colors because I made it. So now, because you did on different sections, like that, so like that, you're gonna open it up on one of these sections. You're going to write a fortune. So like,